Hey Eric, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I told you I'd come out and shoot you a quick video of this Tacoma. It looks like the customer ended up coming back by and dropping off a topper that he had purchased for the truck, so it does come with a topper, a V6 4x4 access cab Tacoma. So here are the tire depth. It's actually pretty good, so still has good tread on the tires here. Looks like some pinstriping on the truck. It's the front tire depth, tread depth, so it's pretty good still. 2014 Tacoma, 16,000 miles roughly. SR5 model. It looks like it's got the fog lights. Show you the inside. Excuse me. Bluetooth capability. You can pair your phone to the vehicle. Bluetooth here. Does have a touchscreen display. Applications, XM radio. Really clean on the inside. No interior damage. Door panels and stuff look pretty good. Get the access door here. Do have jump seats in the back, and those are pretty clean. Looks like nobody's ever really sat in it. Other side as well here. So I mean, it's a nice, really clean, nice truck. Doesn't, like, no cigarette smells or anything. So pretty cool. That covers, I mean, it doesn't look like there's any dings or scratches other than, oh, there's a scuff here on the topper. Has a backup camera here as well. There's another little scuff right here that could probably get buffed out. So yeah, anyways, there's the truck. Oh, I gotta open this first. I probably can't get it open with one hand, so sorry I can't show you the inside of the bed. But yeah, let me know how you'd like to proceed. It looks like the vehicle's in really great shape, really good condition. Tires are good. No interior damage, no major dents or scratches on the car. Looks really nice. I did ask about the certified warranty. It has been through the inspection, but it doesn't have the certified warranty on it. If you'd like to purchase that, you can, but you know, entirely up to you. All right, if you have any questions, give me a shout. Again, Sally, Starbuck over at Toyota of Melbourne. My number is 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll talk soon.